Hello, everyone, and welcome to our English Speaking Practice podcast. My name is Adam.
And I'm Sarah. We are very happy to have you here today.
In this podcast, you will learn how to speak English about your daily life.
Yes, we will use simple words, easy sentences, and natural conversation.
So relax, listen carefully, and practice with us.
And don't forget, pause the video and repeat after us.
So, start with morning routine. Good morning, Sarah. How are you today?
Good morning, Adam. I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm feeling great. My morning was very peaceful.
That sounds nice. What do you usually do in the morning?
First, I wake up early. Then, I make my bed. After that, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
That's good. I do almost the same.
What do you do after that?
I drink a glass of water, then I prepare breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and bread. Sometimes I drink tea and sometimes coffee.
Nice. I like coffee in the morning. It helps me feel active.
Yes, coffee wakes us up.
Now we moving on. Part 2, Daily Work and Study. Sarah, are you working or studying these days?
Right now, I am studying English
That's great. Why are you learning English?
because English helps me communicate with people from different countries.
That's true. English opens many doors.
What about you, Adam? What do you do every day?
I work online. I make videos and teach people English.
That sounds interesting.
Yes, every day I plan my work, write scripts, and record audio.
Do you enjoy your work?
Yes, I really enjoy it. It makes me happy.
That's important. We should enjoy what we do.
So, moving part 3. Afternoon life. What do you do in the afternoon, Sarah?
In the afternoon, I usually take a short rest.
That's good for the body.
Then I check my phone, reply to messages, and sometimes watch videos.
Do you watch English videos?
Yes, I do. They help me improve my listening.
That's a smart habit.
What about you?
The afternoon, I drink tea and continue my work.
Do you ever feel tired?
Sometimes, yes, so I take a short walk.
Walking helps the mind relax.
Exactly.
So, Adam, let's start part 4, evening routine. What do you usually do in the evening?
In the evening, I finish my work and spend time with my family.
That's nice.
Yes, we talk, eat dinner, and relax together.
What do you eat for dinner?
Usually rice and chicken, sometimes vegetables.
Delicious.
What about you?
In the evening, I review my English lessons.
That's a great habit.
Then I listen to music and prepare for sleep.
Good routine makes life easier.
So let's move to part 5, night and feelings. Sarah, how do you feel at night?
At night, I feel calm and peaceful.
That's good.
I think about my day and what I learned.
Reflection is powerful.
What about you, Adam?
I feel thankful. Every day is a new chance to grow.
Yes, small steps every day make big change.
Exactly.
So our last part, part 6, motivation for learners. To everyone listening, don't be afraid to speak English.
Yes, mistakes are part of learning.
Speak slowly, speak clearly, and speak every day.
Practice is the key to success.
Even 10 minutes a day can change your English.
Believe in yourself.
Thank you for listening to our daily English conversation.
If you enjoyed this practice, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And practice with us again tomorrow.
Keep learning. See you next time.